Hello everyone, my name is Emrah Ramadan. Today I'm going to present a topic about computers. In this presentation, I will explain the definition of computer, its function, main components, types, and how computers have developed over time. Definition of computer. A computer is an electronic device that can receive data or input, process it, and produce information or output automatically based on given instruction. The word computer comes from the Latin word computare, meaning to calculate. A computer is not only a machine for typing and gaming, but a device that can process and calculate data very quickly. Basically, it's a modern calculator that helps humans in many areas. Next, computer components. Computer component is hardware, physical components. Second, software, program or instructions. And third, brainware, the user who operates the second computer. A computer won't work if one of these components is missing. Hardware is like the body, software is the brain, and brainware is the person controlling it. Example of hardware is CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, hard disk, and flash drive. The CPU is brain of the computer where all processes take place. The monitor display result, the keyboard and mouse are input tools, and the printer and flash drive are for output or data storage. Next, examples of software. Example of software is first, operating system, Windows, Linux, and macOS. And second, application, Microsoft Word, Excel, Chrome, games. Software allows hardware to function properly. Without software, a computer is just a lifeless machine. Software tells the computer what to do and how to do. And next, brainware. Brainware refers to people who operate computers. Example, programmer, system analyst, operator, and administrator. The most important part is the user, humans who gives instruction to the computer. For example, programmers write code so that computers can run application. Next, function of computer. Function of computer is input, receive data from user. Second, processes the data into information. Third, output, display the result. Fourth, storage data and information. And last, control, manage and coordinate all processes. Each function work together. For example, when we type in Microsoft Word, the keyboard gives input, the processors handle the processing, the monitor shows the result, and we can store the file on the hard drive. Next slide is benefits of computer. Benefit of computer is make human work easier, increase efficiency and productivity, use for communication and entertainment, support education, business, health, and government. Computers have many benefits. In education, they are used for online learning. In business, for accounting and data management. In government, for data processing and public service. Next slide. Types of computer. First, supercomputer, the fastest and more powerful type. Second, mainframe, used by large companies for massive data. Third, mini computer, used in medium-scale organization. Fourth, microcomputer, personal computers like PC and laptops. Supercomputers are used for scientific research such as weather prediction. Mainframes are used by banks or insurance companies. Microcomputers are that one we use daily PC and laptop. Next slide. Computer generation. First generation vacuum tubes, and second generation transistor, third generation integrated circuits, fourth generation microprocessor, and fifth generation artificial intelligence or AI. Each generation made computers smaller, faster, and more powerful. Today we are in the AI generation. Computers can recognize face, voice, and even make decision. Next slide. Advantage of computer. Advantage of computer is high speed, high accuracy, large storage capacity, can perform multitasking, works automatically. The main advantage are speed and accuracy. Computers can process thousands of calculations in seconds without fatigue and emotion. And next slide. Disadvantage of computer depends on electricity and hardware, has no emotion or intuition, vulnerable to virus and system errors, need regular maintenance. Even though computers are smart, they still rely on humans. A computer can crash, lose data, or get infected by viruses, so it must be maintained properly. Next slide is conclusion. Computers are essential electronic devices that help humans process data and information in almost every field of life. In conclusion, computers are very useful and have become a vital part of modern life. Therefore, we must use them wisely and productively. And last slide is thank you. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope my presentation helps you understand computer better. Bye bye.